1. True or false? The project manager is responsible for managing both project scope and stakeholder expectations. Answer: true. Explanation: the project manager's role includes ensuring the project stays within the defined scope and managing stakeholder expectations to avoid scope creep. 2. True or false? A project manager can delegate all decision-making authority to team members. Answer: false. Explanation: while a project manager can delegate tasks, they retain ultimate responsibility for key decision-making and project outcomes. 3. True or false? The project manager must communicate with stakeholders at every phase of the project. Answer: true. Explanation: regular communication with stakeholders is essential to keep them informed and engaged throughout the project lifecycle. 4. True or false? The project manager should focus solely on the project's technical aspects. Answer: false. Explanation: a project manager must also focus on leadership, communication, and managing people in addition to the technical aspects of the project. 5. True or false? Project managers are not involved in contract negotiations. Answer: false. Explanation: project managers often play a key role in negotiating contracts and agreements, especially in procurement management. 6. True or false? The project manager is responsible for monitoring project performance and progress. Answer: true. Explanation: monitoring and controlling the project's progress is a core responsibility of the project manager to ensure it aligns with the plan. 7. True or false? The project manager's role ends once the project is handed over to operations. Answer: false. Explanation: the project manager is responsible for ensuring proper project closure, including documenting lessons learned and ensuring smooth transitions. 8. True or false? A project manager must ensure that risks are identified and mitigated throughout the project. Answer: true. Explanation: risk management is a critical aspect of the project manager's role, helping to minimize potential project disruptions. 9. True or false? Project managers do not need to worry about team morale. Answer: false. Explanation: team morale impacts performance and productivity, so it is vital for project managers to monitor and maintain team motivation. 10. True or false? It is the project manager's responsibility to balance competing project constraints such as cost, time, and scope. Answer: true. Explanation: a key role of the project manager is to manage the triple constraints: scope, time, cost, while ensuring project success. 11. True or false? Project managers do not have to manage stakeholders if they have a dedicated team for that. Answer: false. Explanation: managing stakeholder engagement is a core responsibility of the project manager, regardless of team assignments. 12. True or false? A project manager must adhere strictly to the original project plan without accommodating changes. Answer: false. Explanation: while adherence to the plan is important, a project manager must also be flexible to accommodate necessary changes through proper change control processes. 13. True or false? Project managers are not responsible for developing project management plans. Answer: false. Explanation: developing and maintaining the project management plan is one of the key responsibilities of the project manager. 14. True or false? The project manager's role includes facilitating conflict resolution within the team. Answer: true. Explanation: conflict resolution is a necessary skill for project managers to ensure a productive working environment and team cohesion. 15. True or false? A project manager's primary focus should be on delivering the project on time. Answer: false. Explanation: while time management is important, the project manager must also focus on quality, cost, scope, and stakeholder satisfaction. 16. True or false? A project manager must ensure that all project deliverables meet the quality standards outlined in the project plan. Answer: true. Explanation: quality management is a core part of the project manager's responsibilities, ensuring that deliverables meet or exceed stakeholder expectations. 17. True or false? A project manager's role does not include managing project communications. Answer: false. Explanation: managing project communications is a key responsibility of the project manager to ensure all stakeholders are informed and aligned. 18. True or false? Project managers are responsible for securing the necessary resources for the project. Answer: true. Explanation: the project manager must ensure that the project has the appropriate resources, including personnel, materials, and budget, to succeed. 19. True or false? A project manager should be involved in setting project goals and objectives. Answer: true. Explanation: the project manager works with stakeholders to define clear project goals and objectives to guide the project's direction. 20. True or false? It is not important for the project manager to understand the industry or market in which the project is operating. Answer: false. Explanation: while technical project management skills are crucial, understanding the industry and market context can greatly enhance decision-making and project outcomes. All the best with your PMP journey.